In this video, we are going to show you how to install the SMS Mobile Gateway app and set it up. Before you install the app, you'll first need to set up a username and system parameters. To do this, go into Texting and Email settings, then into SMS Text settings, then SMS Messaging parameters, then SMS Mobile Gateway users. From here, you can create a new user. Make sure to note down the password as you'll need it again later on. Next, before you can install the app, you'll need to allow your phone to install it from Chrome. To do this, press and hold the Chrome app icon on your phone, then tap App Info. From there, tap Install Unknown Apps and turn on Allow from this source. Once that's done, open Chrome and go to cpac.nu/bis. Next to SMS Mobile Gateway, type 1249 into the box. Then tap Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, tap the notification to open the file, then tap Install. At this point, your phone may show a warning that says Harmful App Blocked. This is just Google Play Protect flagging the app because it wasn't installed from the Play Store. Simply tap Install anyway. When the install is finished, tap Open to launch the app. Make sure to accept all of the permissions the app asks for. And when it comes to locations, set this to allow all the time. Your phone may also block some of the app's settings by default since it wasn't installed from the Play Store. To fix this, go into Settings, then Apps, then SMG, which is the mobile gateway. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Allow Restricted Settings. Once you've done this, go into Permissions and search for SMS. Click into this and click Allow. This needs to be done so the app can send text messages from your device. Now open the app. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. You will then need to tap Server Address 1. In here, you will need to enter your server IP address, which you can get by calling Cordic support. It will normally be something such as company.cordiccloud.com. Once that's entered, go into the Username tab and enter the username you created in System Parameters earlier. Then press OK in the bottom right corner. After that, add in the password you set earlier to, then press the same OK button in the corner. You can now tap the green OK button and the app will attempt to connect. Once the app says connected, you're good to go. If the app does not connect, make sure to check the server IP address, username or password, as these may have been typed incorrectly. You should now be able to install and set up the SMS Mobile Gateway app. If you are still having issues, please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract.